Hello my dear students, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we will start chemistry and the chapter is solution. The chapter is solution. This is very important chapter. For important point of view, from this chapter 5 marks questions are asked in your examination. So this is very important chapter. Let's start. What is solution? It means we have to know definition of solution. What is solution? So basically solution is the homogeneous mixture of two or more than two substances. Means here we get a term mixture. Then what is mixture? First question is, what is mixture? Mixture is the composition of two or more than two components. Mixture is the composition of two or more than two components. Means mixture is the composition of two or more than two components. Mixture is categorized into two types. First one is homogeneous and second one is heterogeneous. What is homogeneous mixture? A mixture in which the composition of components or elements is uniform throughout the solution. Means in homogeneous mixture, components, the arrangement of components are uniform, while in heterogeneous mixture the arrangement of components is non-uniform. Sorry, this is each. Okay, then what is mixture? Mixture is the composition of two or more than two components. It is of the two types. First one is homogeneous mixture and second one is heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture means the mixture in which arrangement of components is uniform throughout the mixture is called homogeneous mixture, and the mixture in which the arrangement of components is non-uniform throughout the mixture is called heterogeneous mixture. Now come to the definition of solution. So solution is the homogeneous mixture of two or more than two non-reacting components. Also we can say solution is the homogeneous mixture of two or more than two components. This is also correct. So what is Solution is the homogeneous mixture of two or more than two components. So in class 12th we have to read only binary solution. Binary solution means the solution in which the components is only 2. Binary means 2, means solution consists 2 parts. First one is solvent and second one is solute. So first is solvent and second one is solute. So solution equal to, we can write solution equal to solvent plus solute. Okay, basically we can say that the component present in excess quantity in the solution is called solvent, means this is large quantity and this is a small quantity. Suppose that we have water plus sugar. This is the molecular formula of sugar, C12H22O11. So we get a solution of H2O and sugar. This is the definition of solution. चलिए फिर हम लोग देखते हैं टाइप्स ऑफ सॉल्यूशन. टाइप्स ऑफ सॉल्यूशन. तो टाइप्स ऑफ सॉल्यूशन में 3 टाइप्स के सॉल्यूशन होंगे. फर्स्ट वन इज सॉलिड सॉल्यूशन, सेकेंड वन इज लिक्विड सॉल्यूशन एंड थर्ड वन इज gaseous solution. Solution has 2 parts. First one is solvent and second one is solute. So types of solution is depends upon the phase of solvent and solute. If the phase of solvent is solid, then the solution is called solid solution, and if the phase of solvent is liquid, the solution is called liquid solution, and if the phase of solvent is gaseous, the solution is called gaseous solution. So phase of solvent. Now phase of solute. If the phase of solvent is solid and phase of solute is also solid, it may be phase of solvent is solid but the phase of solute is liquid. It may be phase of solvent is solid and phase of solute is gaseous. Same way, the phase of solvent is liquid and phase of solute is solid or liquid or gas. The same way, the phase of solvent is gaseous and the phase of solute is solid or liquid or gas. So let's take example of each. Solid plus solid means the phase of both solvent and solute is same, means solid and solid. For example, Cu plus Au. Next one is solid liquid. Solid and liquid means the solvent is solid and solute is liquid. Example is sodium amalgam, means mixture of sodium and Hg. It gives sodium amalgam. Next one is solid gas. Solid gas. Solid is solvent and solute is gas, means Pd plus H2. Remember it, this is very important reducing reagent. We will discuss it in organic chemistry. Next one is liquid solution. So liquid and solid means the solute is solid and solvent is liquid. Sugar plus water, glucose plus water, etc. Liquid and liquid. Alcohol plus water. Liquid and gas. CO2 plus soda lime. O2 plus H2O. Gas and solid. Here the phase of solvent is gas and the phase of solute is solid. So solid into gas means smoke. Smoke. Next one is liquid into gas. Liquid means solute is liquid and solvent is gas, means chloroform plus N2. Chloroform plus N2. And if the phase of solvent and solute both is gaseous, means N2 plus O2. N2 plus O2. So this is the types of solution. Here also we can write camphor plus N2. Now next topic is concentration of solution and expressing method of concentration of solution, but we will start it in next video. So keep this much for today. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.